What happens if Medicaid denies an application for asset transfers? Imagine you or a loved one are trying to qualify for Medicaid to cover long-term care costs, but suddenly your application gets denied. What does that mean for you? Well, if Medicaid denies your application because of asset transfers within the look-back period, you will face a penalty period where you cannot receive benefits. This period is based on the total value of the assets you transferred and the average monthly cost of nursing home care in your state. For example, if you transferred assets worth $20,000 and the average monthly nursing home cost is $5,000, you could face a 4-month penalty. During this time, Medicaid will not pay for your long-term care, and you will need to cover those costs yourself. That could mean paying out of pocket or selling some assets. The look-back period is 5 years, so any transfers made during that time are scrutinized. Transfers for less than fair market value, like gifts or selling assets below their value, can trigger these penalties. The government assumes such transfers were made to qualify for Medicaid improperly. If your transfer triggers a penalty, you will have to wait until the penalty period ends before Medicaid benefits begin. This can be a big financial burden, especially if you need care immediately. You or your family might need to pay for nursing home costs during this time, which can quickly add up. Sometimes, families sell exempt assets like a primary home or use legal tools like trusts to avoid penalties. If your application gets denied, you can usually appeal within 30 days. An elder law attorney can help you prepare your case or request a hardship waiver. Hardship waivers might reduce or eliminate the penalty if you can show that the transfer was not made to qualify for Medicaid or that the penalty would cause extreme hardship. It's important to understand that certain transfers are exempt from penalties, such as transfers between spouses or to a disabled child. Proper planning can help you avoid these issues altogether. By working with an elder law professional, you can structure your assets correctly and avoid delays in qualifying for Medicaid. Remember, timely action and understanding the rules can make a big difference in protecting your assets and ensuring you get the care you need. If your Medicaid application is denied because of asset transfers, it's not the end. You have options, and with the right help, you can navigate through the process and find solutions to get the benefits you deserve.